To locate to a particular section of this tape, please cue your VCR and fast forward or rewind and look for the associated color of the section you wish to view.
When it comes to random access digital recording, more audio professionals turn to Digidesign than to any other name. And there's an excellent reason. Digidesign has a worldwide reputation for innovation and excellence, and we maintain it by focusing on a clear vision. We're committed to putting the power of advanced digital recording into your hands, and we're dedicated to giving you the best support, now and in the future. We're proud to say that this vision has already made us the world leader in digital recording and editing systems. But the best possible features and sound are only a part of what's going on, and we'd like to show you the big picture. Right now, we're building the components of a powerful and affordable all-digital studio based upon our multi-channel professional platform, Pro Tools. We'll tell you more about the future and our all-digital studio in a few minutes. But first, we'd like to announce some new products that enhance Pro Tools and bring new power to Digidesign Sound Tools 2.
ProMaster 20, the newest member of our Sound Tools family, is the highest fidelity mixdown and editing system ever made. ProMaster 20 is the first stereo random access workstation to deliver full 20-bit audio performance. It's equipped with the highest quality A to D converters and circuitry designed by Ultra Analog. And the results are unbeatable dynamic range and absolutely no audio compromises. Who needs 20-bit, you might ask, especially since compact discs are 16-bit? Doesn't this make a 16-bit mixdown medium good enough? Unfortunately, in the real world, the answer is not always. Mixing directly to a 16-bit system such as DAT can compromise fidelity, and this is where the ProMaster 20 comes into play. 16-bit mixdown systems have a theoretical dynamic range of 96 dB, the same as compact disc. In practice, this drops to 90 dB after the analog-digital conversion stages. What's more, you usually have to leave extra headroom, anywhere from 6 to 12 dB, to prevent digital distortion on peaks. These two factors alone drop the average signal-to-noise ratio to about 78 dB. And at this point, a 16-bit digital system has a real dynamic range of about 13 bits. Clearly, this doesn't fulfill the potential of compact disc. ProMaster 20, on the other hand, has a dynamic range of 120 dB. And even after the conversion stages and 12 dB of headroom, you're still left with a real signal-to-noise ratio of 96 dB. So as we can see, mixing and editing with the ProMaster 20 is the only way to take full advantage of 16-bit media like CDs and even DATs. On top of this, since you have an extra 4 bits of audio, your quietest signals enjoy audibly improved low-level linearity. The best news is what happens when you transfer 20-bit audio to 16-bit DAT or CD. ProMaster 20 uses an intelligent dithering algorithm to deliver 16-bit converted files that sound better than ordinary 16-bit recordings. Since ProMaster 20 uses Sound Designer 2 editing software, it gives you all the editing and processing features so popular in Sound Tools 2. The result is a mastering system that not only has sparkling clarity, but is also easy and fast to use. ProMaster 20 is available as a standalone system for use with any Mac 2 or Quadra computer. It's also available as an upgrade kit for Sound Tools 2 owners or for Pro Tools owners who also own Sound Designer 2 software. Even the quietest digital studios have problems with noise. From air conditioning noise to mixing a buzzy guitar track, engineers in any setting face unwanted noise. Dinner, the Digidesign Intelligent Noise Reduction System, is the first software plug-in to our Sound Designer 2 software. Dinner works with Sound Tools 2, ProMaster 20, and Pro Tools digital recording and editing systems, and allows what goes into these systems to come out sounding even better. Dinner reduces hum, tape hiss, rumble, mic preamp noise, and any other continuous noise from any analog or digital source. Let us show you how. With broadband noise like tape hiss, we sample a portion of the noise and ask Dinner to learn it. Then, after we select Fit, To create a model of the noise, Dinner works immediately in real time. Listen to this comparison. To reduce hum and other pitched noises, Dinner has an arsenal of fast and accurate digital filters. Dinner produces virtually no coloration of the restored material and can reduce noise by as much as 20 to 30 dB, in effect removing it completely. But best of all, you can learn to use both modes of Dinner in a matter of minutes with no intensive training. If you lock a digital audio workstation to tape, you may be using a SMPTE to MIDI timecode converter for synchronization. This method is called software sync, and it works by using your system's DSP to convert the sample rate to match the speed of the incoming linear timecode. But in situations where the timecode varies even a little, the system's DSP power may be so occupied performing sample rate conversion that top audio quality gets sacrificed. In these cases, you need hardware synchronization. Our new SMPTE slave driver is the answer to this need. The SMPTE slave driver takes over the job of calculating sample rates and allows your Pro Tools, Sound Tools 2, or ProMaster 20 system to synchronize to any external linear timecode without having to use any of the system's DSP power to perform sync. To do this, we use an independent superclock connection between the SMPTE slave driver and the system. This way, even if the speed of the master tape varies a lot, you get both solid sync and clean audio. Essentially, the SMPTE slave driver is a highly accurate SMPTE reader capable of locking any Digidesign professional system directly to timecode. And that's not all. Some sync systems can induce audio distortion as their clocks waver or jitter while tracking uneven sync sources. To ensure that the SMPTE slave driver is truly the best sounding sync solution on the market, we gave it an extremely low jitter clock designed by Apogee Electronics so that your Digidesign workstation tracks incoming timecode accurately and smoothly. Professional applications demand the highest fidelity digital synchronization, and the Digidesign SMPTE slave driver provides an affordable and easy-to-use solution. As the power of your Random Access Studio grows, so does your need for hardware. Whether you want to add more channels to your Pro Tools system, create a multi-card sample cell system, or use a combination of new Digidesign cards, you may need more expansion slots for your computer. To answer this need, we're introducing the Digidesign Expansion Chassis. The chassis contains 12 new bus expansion slots for the current generation of Digidesign digital audio cards. It's housed in a fully shielded case and cooled so efficiently that it can be used in any control room. Of course, the expansion chassis also frees up card slots in your Mac for non-Digidesign cards. For instance, you could install a 16-channel Pro Tools system and several sample cell cards and still have room in the Mac for a video board and an accelerator card. All these new products are really exciting, but they're only the beginning. At Digidesign, we're committed to long-term research, development, and support for your investment in our products. And we want to make sure the system you buy today fits into your future. Pro Tools is a perfect example. Right now, Pro Tools users have access to more product support and more options than those of any other multi-channel workstation. But above and beyond that, we're continuing to enhance Pro Tools with products like Dinner and the Expansion Chassis. And we're refining Pro Tools itself with a series of software upgrades. We'll release many of these new technologies over the next 24 months. But since we believe our customers can plan their futures better if they know our direction, we'd like to let you in on several of these developments. In the first quarter of 1993, you'll see a new, streamlined, single-application interface for Pro Tools. Pro Tools 2.0 will be a dramatically enhanced, full-featured program in which you'll do all your tracking, editing, and mixing. Pro Tools 2.0 will be a simple-to-install software upgrade, loaded with features for recording, mixing, and signal processing, along with advanced waveform and event editing. It gives the system a faster, simpler interface and overall improved performance. The new version will offer improved digital parametric EQs, graphic automation editing, enhanced scrubbing, and much more. All registered Pro Tools users will receive upgrade information early in 1993. Isn't it ironic that after a digital recording or mixing session, most people take home nothing better than an analog cassette for evaluating the day's work? The ideal medium here would be compact disc, but the price of CD recorders today makes this impossible. To remedy this situation, Digidesign is developing a full-featured, cost-effective CD recorder that will be available sometime in mid-1993. Whether you're stamping special edition CDs for your own label, creating reference discs for mastering, or pleasing your clients with a high-quality evaluation CD, you'll find no shortage of uses for an affordable CD recorder. Envision a system with all the power, flexibility, processing, and patching you need, built on a digitally controlled platform. Everything from tracking to sampling, from signal processing to mixdown, would be entirely automated. You could change the entire configuration of the system with a single software command, and you could even incorporate and automate all of your existing analog and digital gear. We're pleased to announce the mid-1993 release of a powerful new technology that will realize this vision: the Digidesign TDM Digital Audio Bus. The TDM Digital Audio Bus starts with a card that piggybacks onto Digidesign Pro Tools, Sound Tools 2, and ProMaster 20 audio cards. Just like that. A custom VLSI chip provides 256 channels of 24-bit digital audio connections, which can be routed between our audio cards and a wide variety of third-party NuBus boards. This brings us to an important point. We've given the TDM Digital Audio Bus a truly open architecture, and we're inviting other manufacturers to develop boards that will simply plug in to provide you with all of the functions of a completely automated digital recording studio. As a matter of fact, two respected leaders in their fields, Lexicon and Apogee Electronics, have already announced their commitment to our vision. In mid-1993, Lexicon will release a full-featured reverb and effects card with all the quality you expect from Lexicon. And Apogee is developing a fully automated, high-fidelity patch bay to act as the bridge between your all-digital studio and any external analog or digital gear. Digidesign and other partners in the TDM Digital Audio Bus are already developing more cards. Any audio function you can imagine can be accommodated by the bus, and the possibilities are enormous. Through this technology, the potential of your current Digidesign professional studio will grow significantly in 1993 and will continue to grow into the future. To strengthen the partnership between Digidesign and our customers, and to help them get the most of their investment, Digidesign's Pro School offers hands-on, personalized courses for Pro Tools, Sound Tools 2, and ProMaster 20 users. Courses focus on both music recording and audio post-production, and there are also courses on sample cell, synchronization, MIDI sequencing, and many other related topics. Our first Pro School is located in Los Angeles, and our second Pro School has recently opened in New York City. We also plan to open at least 2 more Pro Schools in 1993. With an emphasis on learning by doing, Pro School is the perfect way for engineers, producers, and all serious Digidesign owners to get up to speed and stay ahead of the curve with the newest tips and techniques in digital recording. At Digidesign, we know that to succeed, we have to give our customers the tools and support they need to succeed. With this goal in mind, we believe our breakthrough TDM Digital Audio Bus technology will revolutionize professional audio production. The expandability it creates will make every investment in a Digidesign product an investment in the growth and potential of your own studio. In turn, this will help us bring the power of digital recording and editing to all audio professionals. As we pursue our commitment to this vision in the future, we welcome your participation and thank you for your interest and support.